Okay, so great. This is video number 2 and this is part 2. And as we are discussing these questions before, so for facing, you know that if I am facing D, my face must be at B. If I am facing C, my face must be at A. If I am facing B, my face must be at D. He said in question number 1, if he turns through before he was there in A. If he turns through dash right angles in a clockwise direction, he will face D. He must face, so it means he came here, and also in a clockwise direction, so he will come to this side. And this, as you can see, this is a full circle. He comes from this side to this side. It means 1/4, and 1/4 it means one right angle. So I will write here, if he turns through one right angle in a clockwise direction, he will face the point D. Now grade 3, our first question finished. So back to the position where he was before, when they standing at position X, like point X facing C. Facing C, it means he is at point A. Now we have to do question number B. If it turns from point A, you have to put your fingers on point A. If it turns through 3 right angles in an anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise means like clock is moving in this direction. But here he said anti-clockwise, it means he must move from this side to this, opposite to the clock. So anti-clockwise direction, 3 angles. He is there. 1 angle, 2 angle and 3 angle. So he is now at position B, and he will face position, which position he is facing? Position D, point D. So here we have to write point D. So okay, grade 3, you have to draw here. He said use a set square to draw a right angle in the space provided below. This is a space, you have to draw a right angle here. You can use the paper instrument object that we have made. So you have to take this paper, draw one line here with a ruler and draw one line here, then mark the angle sign. This is a task, you have to do it. Now grade 3, this is workbook page number 121. Open your workbooks and then see this question. They said the minute hand is pointing to the number 3. This is the minute hand in a clock and this is an hour hand. So minute hand is at 3. It takes a half turn in an anti-clockwise direction. See, clock is moving in this form, but this side in an anti-clockwise direction, half turn. So from 3, half turn will come this side. So it means half turn here. Okay, I make it. Then they said, then it turns through 3 right angles in a clockwise direction, not anti-clockwise, in a clockwise. 3 right angles. So this is a full circle. From 1/4 to the 1/4, I have 1 right angle. Then from here to the next quarter, 2 right angle. They said 3 right angles. From here to the next quarter, now here 3 right angles. So my position of the minute point, final position will be at 6. This is a circle. You can divide this circle in 4 quarters. They said they was here in that position, then they have to make 3 right angles from this position. 1, 2, 3. So minute, I will teach you again. The minute hand is pointing at the number 3. They said to make a anti-clockwise half turn. We came to this part 9. Then they said 3 right angles we have to move in a clockwise direction. So from 9 to 12 we have 1 right angle. As you know that over circle, this is a circle. So 1/4, 1 right angle, 2 and 3 right angles, 3/4. Then my final position is at 6. So you have to draw the minute hand like this. You have to draw this minute hand only. Like this. This is the answer of the question number 1. So this is workbook 121, question number 2. Here they said that Jan is standing at point X. Yeah, Jenny is standing at position at point X and is facing the field. Facing the field, it means that facing means she must be here, because she facing the field, and X position, that means this line. They said X right through this line. Now if she turns through two right angles in an anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise this side, opposite to clock, two right angles, 1, 2. Then turns through dash right angles in a clockwise direction. Now this clockwise she have to turn. Because clock is moving from this side. So she said how many angles she turns in a clockwise direction that she will face shopping center. From this side she must face the shopping center. It means she must be here. So I will draw 1 right angle, 2 right angle and 3 right angle because she is facing the shopping centers. So how many right angles she complete turn? 3 right angles. Okay. Now she said if she turns through. Okay, so for grade 3 question number 2 we have to read again the question. This finished. Okay, for question number 2 read again the question. Then is standing at position X and is facing the field. It means she is there. Okay, she is here. So if she turns through dash right angles in a clockwise direction, she will face the shopping center. So here she have to move in a clockwise direction. If it is 9, the clock is moving from there to there. She must face the shopping center. So clockwise direction, if I will go from this side to this side, then she will come here. Then she can face the shopping center. So how many angles she covered? 1. Yes, so I have to write here 1. Now again we have to read the question for this. If she turns, okay, back to this position, the starting position, if she turns to right angles in a clockwise direction, okay, clockwise 1, 2, she will face the playground. So these are the answers for workbook page number 21. You have to do it. Grade 3, this is the end of the section. So but after that I will show you some of the answers from your homeworks that I give you before. You have to check which one is correct and you have to write, you have to give marks to yourself by pencil that teacher I am correct, I have these answers correct one, like out of 10 if 9 answers is correct you have to mention it. For this page number 118 the answers are, and for the next page the answers are. Likewise for the page number 120 the answers are. This was the previous homework that I given you just for your easiness. I done this for you. You have to check how many correct answers you have and then you have to give marks for yourself. Yes. So this is the end of the video too. I hope you enjoy my video. These are outcomes of my video. After this video you must be able to understand and do question on the textbook page number 143 to 146 and workbook 120 to 123. That's it. Have a nice day. Thank you all.